Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
My name is ASAD YAQUB.
And my name is ASAD.
And together we welcome you once again in another mini lesson of IELTS speaking. And this mini lesson is about speaking part 1, where we are discussing some topics which are commonly or the questions which are commonly asked in IELTS speaking test, and Mustain is answering. So I am the role model of the examiner. Mustain is the role model of IELTS candidate. Let's take a start. My first question is, do you like studying?
Yes, I like studying because it is something good. By studying we can build and develop a good future.
Okay, now this is the short answer. You should try to add a couple of sentences like, yes, I like studying because it's the best way to gain a deeper insight into any subject. I like reading, learning from others and trying to understand difficult concepts. Adult answer, okay? Alright. Do you prefer to study alone or with others?
Yes, I prefer to study alone because when a person is alone, he can focus properly towards his studies and he can pay good attention as well. So I prefer studying alone.
Okay, and I would say I prefer to study alone because I need to be able to concentrate fully. Other people are a distraction. Yeah? Alright. Now my next question is, where do you prefer to go when you need to study?
I sit in my room when I need to study because it is the most peaceful place I can find in the entire house, because nobody comes into that room without my permission. That's why I like to study in
You've got the curfew in your room, huh? So if you ask me the same question, I would say I like to find a quiet corner in my local library. Being in an old building and surrounded by books seems to help me to focus on my work. Okay, let's go on. How do you feel if someone disturbs you when you are studying?
I feel so angry when someone tries to disturb me while studying, but later on I also develop my mood and then both of us get together and disturb somebody else.
Okay, so I would say it frustrates me because it breaks my concentration. I prefer to avoid distraction by going somewhere where nobody will interrupt me. Okay, that's good. So the topic was study. If you are a student, you need to prepare these type of answers because in IELTS speaking, they might ask you questions about your studies. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, you can contact me for that. ASAD YAQUB and
Mustain Asad.
Wish you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.